Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping straight into the future, where robots don't just clean your floors, they climb stairs, fold laundry, and even run your meetings. But that's not all. Gaming and desk setups are evolving just as fast, with holographic AI companions that coach you in real time, ultra-immersive AR glasses, and next-generation VR systems, pushing visual realism to new levels. In this video, we're combining the most exciting smart home robotics and next-gen gaming tech that are redefining how we live, work, and play. Let's jump in. Robotics rover is what happens when a robot vacuum decides it's tired of being stuck on one floor. Instead of the usual flat disc, this concept uses a wheel and leg design that can lift its body, extend its frame, and physically climb stairs. The big breakthrough is mobility. It's designed to move over steep transitions, clear awkward thresholds, and get past obstacles that would normally strand a robot vacuum in seconds. In other words, it's less cleaning puck and more mini robot. Because it's still a CES 2026 concept, there's no confirmed pricing. But if this ever hits the market with working stair climbing, it won't be cheap. If you want the next level of I don't want to do chores, LG CLOID is aiming directly at that problem. It skips legs for stability and uses a wheeled base. But the real headline is the pair of AI-powered arms. The vision here is a home assistant that can handle real tasks, picking up items, assisting in the kitchen, loading dishes. It's still a prototype, but it shows how home tech is shifting, not just smart screens and voice commands. VibeBot is basically built for anyone who leaves a meeting thinking, wait, what did we actually decide? This robot sits in the room like a compact little droid, with a rotating camera head that tracks whoever is talking, zooming and reframing, so remote participants aren't staring at a static wide shot. But the real feature is the admin side. It records, transcribes, pulls out decisions, and even assigns follow-up actions automatically. It's designed to be portable too. The magnetic battery base lets you move it to another room without hunting for cables. The pricing puts it around $1,600 for early orders, plus an annual fee for the AI summaries and transcription tools. Cozilla Calendar Plus 2 takes the family calendar idea and turns it into a wall-mounted command center. It's essentially a big Android display that syncs with Google, Apple, and Outlook calendars, so everyone's schedule is visible in one place. And because it runs Android apps, it can also double as a kitchen screen for YouTube or Netflix, plus chore charts and reminders that are way harder to ignore than a sticky note. It comes in multiple sizes, from smaller screens up to huge 4K options. And while the bigger models are a serious investment, the key pitch is that you're not paying monthly just to access core features. Razer's Project Ava is basically a digital character given a physical home on your desk. It lives inside a clear capsule with an animated avatar that reacts using eye tracking and lip syncing, so it doesn't feel like a normal chatbot. The standout feature is how it sees. It uses PC vision to monitor your screen while you play, then calls out suggestions in real time, warning you about threats, highlighting opportunities, or helping you work out puzzle solutions. When you're not gaming, it shifts into a general assistant role, planning, brainstorming, and chatting with different personality styles depending on what vibe you choose. It's still described as a concept device, but the mentions a reservation option with a $20 deposit and a launch target later in 2026. Lepro TB1 isn't trying to be a boring desk lamp. It's trying to be desk decor that moves. The design is 3 metallic rings you physically rotate and reposition, so it looks like a floating orbital sculpture when it's lit up. Inside are loads of LEDs designed for smooth color blending, not harsh preset switching. The key feature is the mood-based lighting control. Instead of choosing colors manually, you tell the app how you're feeling or what you're doing. Stressed, gaming night, chill session, and it generates patterns to match. It can also sync with music, which makes it great for streaming setups, and puts it around $64. The ROG's Real R1 is basically a portable big screen you can wear. These AR glasses connect to handhelds or laptops via USB-C and project a huge virtual display in front of you at around 171 inches. The big flex is refresh rate, where many video glasses stop around 120 Hz. These are described as hitting 240 Hz, which is a serious advantage for fast, competitive games. And if you want full focus, the lenses can darken with a tap, blocking out the room so you're locked into the content. Pricing hasn't been confirmed for this 2026 release, but the estimate floated was around the $800 range. Pimax is doing two completely different things at once, making VR lighter for normal people and making VR stronger for obsessive enthusiasts. The Dream Air SE is the Comfort Play, a proper PC VR headset that's extremely lightweight, designed to feel more like goggles than a heavy helmet. It connects via DisplayPort, aiming for clean, uncompressed visuals without that wireless compression compromise. Then you've got the Crystal Super, the premium monster. The headline is modularity, a swappable optical engine that lets you switch between display types, including micro OLED, pushing clarity, contrast, and overall immersion into a very expensive tier. The Dream Air SE priced at around $900, while the Crystal Super Micro OLED version is positioned around $2,200. And that's just the beginning of what smart homes and gaming tech are becoming. From robots that actually move around your house to AI companions that help you play smarter. The future is clearly arriving faster than most people expected. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the next wave of futuristic gadgets is already on the way.